Definition of attainable standards. An attainable standard is a level of performance or efficiency that is challenging but realistic based on normal working conditions. Key characteristics of attainable standards: 1. Efficient but not perfect operating conditions. Principle: attainable standards are based upon efficient but not perfect operating conditions. Example: a Germany factory estimates that a worker can stitch 50 shirts per day using well maintained machines and trained workers, but not assuming zero delays or perfection. But not assuming zero delays or perfection, meaning the standard assumes good working conditions, not ideal or perfect ones. Number two, allowances for normal material losses. Principle: the standard will include allowances for normal material losses. Example: in a juice factory, when producing 1000 liter of juice, when producing 1000 liter of juice, it is normal that 50 to 10 liters are lost. It is normal that 50 to 10 liters are lost during filtering and filing. So the standard cost includes this normal loss. Meaning it expects normal wastage. Not zero loss. Number third, realistic allowances for fatigue and machine breakdowns. Principle: attainable standard include realistic allowance for fatigue and machine breakdowns, etc. Example: a factory sets a standard. That a machine produces 100 units per hour, but it allows for worker fatigue breaks and 15 minutes of machine downtime per shift. But it allows for worker fatigue breaks and 15 minutes of machine downtime per shift. It considers real life interruption. It considers real life interruptions. This includes allowances for worker fatigue breaks, 15-minute machine downtime per shift, minor delays in material supply, normal setup and change over time. Most frequent number 4. Most frequent encounter type of standard. Principle. These are the most frequent encounter type of standard. Example, most companies like food factory, textile industries, and electronics assembly plants use standards such as one worker equals to 8 hours shift productivity target and expected material uses per unit. This is the common type used in real business. Most companies, food factory, textile industry, electronic assembly plants use standards such as one worker equals to 8 shift productivity target, expected material uses per unit. This is the common type used in real business. Industries that commonly use attainable standard: food and beverage manufacturing, textile and garment factories, electronics and assembly plants, pharmaceutical production. Number 5, motivates employee to work harder. This standard may motivate employee to work harder since they provide a realistic but challenging target. For example, if a worker currently produces 40 units per day, if a worker currently produces 40 units per day, and the attainable standard is set at 50 units, the worker is motivated to improve performance without feeling the target is impossible. Without feeling the target is impossible. I mean, it is challenging enough to inspire effort and realistic enough to be achievable. Summary table. Characteristics, key meaning: efficient but not perfect condition, good working condition assume not ideal or perfect, normal material loss allowed, expect normal wastage to occur in production, realistic allowances included, accounts for fatigue, downtime, and real interruptions. Most commonly used standard, widely applied across manufacturing industries, motivated employees, challenging it, achievable, inspiring, performance improvement.